Hi guys, welcome back to SMB Designs. My name is Stephanie. I am bringing you a headset that I purchased from Temu. This is my third headset from them. The first one would came in and was not wireless, and I got to be able to move. The second one had some kind of a short in it when it recorded, so I sent back easy returns, easy refunds. It was really a good process. And so I just wanted to kind of let you know some things about this headset. And I am recording this voiceover on this headset. It has noise reduction mic, Bluetooth wireless, 2.4G wireless mode. Um, it works well for PC, Mac, PS4, PS5. Um, Titanium 50 drivers. And actually, the screen you're on is just the one showing the picture of all of the things that it works on. There are some details there, but now we're on to the back, and it tells you the product features. The first one is titanium 50 millimeter drivers. I'm saying millimeters, mm. Um, the second is unidirectional boom mic. The third is dual wireless. The fourth is 48-hour battery life. The fifth, multi-platform support with wireless/wired. And yeah, so I'm giving this a shot today, and I did do another recording with it. I recorded tomorrow's Enoch reading of chapters 80 through 83. And I wanted to get some feedback from you guys and let me know what you think of the audio quality, if it sounds good to you, or if I need to go back to the look again. This I'm showing you that it has a USB charger, and it also comes with an auxiliary charger there and a little manual booklet. The little booklet has a lot of information. It is in multiple languages, so just know that. And yeah, it's supposed to be a gaming headset, which is really cool. So usually you get really good sound with the gaming headsets. That's why I keep looking at gaming headsets for the extra sound quality. So we're putting those back, and I'm fixing to show you. This is the actual headset. And the microphone there, it does stay to its form really well. I'm showing you the USB port, and well, it's not USB, but it's the other end of the USB, and the auxiliary. Then you have down volume, you have up volume, but in the middle you have the power button on and off. It's kind of weird to do it that way, but that's how it is. And the last one is to mute your microphone. So it does extend. It has extra room for you to extend for the head. It is a very lightweight unit, which is great for me because my other one was quite heavy. And I am showing you the inside earmuffs so you can get a look at that and know what's in there. And what I'm showing you here is that in order to power this on, you have to really hold that button for a good few seconds for it to initialize and come on. It will tell you power on. It talks to you when it comes on inside the headset. And you'll notice on the end that when you power that on, a little light comes on the mic end. And that's just showing you the mic is ready. The picture of the mic is a picture of the mic X'd out or crossed out. And so automatically I thought that meant it was muted. But no, when you push that button and the light goes out, it's muted. If the light is on, it is active and working. Um, and I had no problems getting the switch over for a mic to do quickly. I did have, like I said, that delay of turning it on and off, and that may just be a feature to keep you from bumping it, you know. Um, so yeah, so I'm wondering what you guys think about this, and I'm looking forward to finding that out. Um, Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like your feedback as to if I need to keep this one and stick with it, or if I need to look for a different headset. But the price was very reasonable. It was in the 30s. I can tell you that I haven't looked it back up, but it was in the 30s. I'll try and put a price thing there on the screen for you. And yeah, I think that's about all that I have to say about it. I am looking forward to the next video with you guys. And um, yeah, if there's any questions that you have or anything that I've not covered, feel free to leave that in the comment section below and I will try to answer that. This is my first impressions. I have not used the battery life to its fullest yet, so I do not know the extent of that. Um, I just know what the box says on it for that. But this, guys, is the first impression. So if you don't mind, give this video a like, a comment, and a thumbs up. Definitely let me know your opinions down below so that I can take that into consideration when keeping this one. All right, guys, I thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.